voltage detector, screwdriver.
Sire has yet to know what thee means, but the torchbearer whose game societies were quite anxious about Sire's departure.
Oh, what's this? I see something inside of you. Something of great power that has not been used in a long time.
Who art thou?
Hello there, Torchway. I am the Soul Devourer, and I will discover why the power I now crave has been left dormant for so long. Perhaps my crusade was going to be shorter than I thought.
It's okay, Alice. You did a good job.
Thank you, Dakota. It's just that I wish...
We all do. The LSO would have saved us all if they could. We're just lucky that Alice was able to survive.
The canisters containing the mindless corpses you saw on each side once possessed the thoughts and feelings that are attributed to humans. These attributes now belong to the machines of paradise, and therefore, humanity continues to live on.
Meraki, remember time. It was a scary time.
Acknowledged.
Meraki doesn't remember much. Meraki remember canister. Meraki was ink canister.
Acknowledged.
Alice? Meraki want to leave. Meraki no like here.